You see, this is not just my life story, but it's many things you see involved. This kind of story can be helpful. I come from very remote area, northeast Tibet, northeast part of Tibet. Particularly my sort of home, village, very remote, and farmer. My mother, both parents, illiterate. However, my mother, very, very kind-hearted, really.
Tsedup in the northeast of India has become known all over the world, for it was here that India received the Dalai Lama after his flight from Tibet. No one could have told from his unruffled bearing, as he was greeted by high Indian officials and presented with the white scarf, token of friendship, that the Dalai Lama had been in mortal danger since he left Lhasa. The 23-year-old spiritual head of the 500 million Buddhists throughout the Far East confirmed that he had been forced to leave his capital. His mother, sent her wearing dark glasses, sister and other relatives had accompanied him from Lhasa.
딱 로 주주친 게 주고 난 아니 로 주주 전주 달래가 그도데 네 철식인 경험데 위두체에 아니 시용 로사스가 나와 지피야지 somebody 마시라 가고 싶은 중스 As a Buddhist monk, I believe every day is new day, birthday. Every day is birthday. The particles of our physical also within 24 hours change, some new things. And the mental thinking also out of experience, out of knowledge, also is developed. change. So, every day is birthday.